Now what we want to do in this video is we want to add menus to our Shopify store. In order to do so, we go on online store and then we scroll down to navigation. We click on navigation and then we have two menus right here. We have the main menu, which is on the left when you look at the store, and then we have the footer menu, which is at the bottom. So now basically what we want to do is you want to add pages to the main menu and to the footer menu. First of all, let's start with the main menu, which will be visible on the left side in your Shopify store, or actually I think at the top or at the left side. So let's click on main menu and let's add some pages to it. So now what we want to do is we want to add a menu item, and for instance we want to add about us, and then down here we want to link it to a page that we already created. So we go down to pages and then we click on about us. So this is linked right now. So we click on add. Then we want to add another item. So we want to add FAQs in this case, or I think we call it just FAQ. So then we click on pages and we look for FAQ. We link that in there, and let's add another menu item. Let's go with contact us. So we go down to pages again and look for contact us. So then we add that here as well, and let's add one more. And let's add actually the order tracking. So order tracking, and let's go down here, click on pages, and want to click on order tracking, and this is linked now as well. So we got that menu now finished. So we click on save right now, and we want to go back to navigation, and now we want to add some pages to the footer menu, and now we want to add all of the pages that we already created basically. So I think we can take out the search, for instance, right here. So let's remove that. Let's add a menu item and let's add about us again. So we link that down here again to about us. And then let's also do that with, of course, the FAQ. So then down here we go on pages again, look for FAQ. And this might take, some time, but we have to do it. And I want to show you step by step how to do everything. So let's go down here in pages, FAQ, add this one as well. And let's add the last 5. So now order tracking. Down here we go on pages again. We add order tracking. Click on add. And now let's add even more. We want to add shipping and delivery. We click down here again on pages and we look for shipping and delivery. Add that one. Let's add returns policy, and let's link that up again. Returns policy. Add this one as well, and now we have to still add 2, so privacy policy. We want to link on this one as well. And now let's link one more, and that is now the last one. That is then terms of service. So we want to add this one as well. And then we are done with that. So now we have everything linked up, and this is basically, first of all, of course, click on save. And this is basically now how your store will look like. You have 2 menus. You have one time the footer menu, you have the main menu, and very soon you'll actually see what we can do with them. But all of that I will show you in the next videos. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.